I didn't expect something this small to change the look of a car this much. These luminous valve caps glow in the dark and instantly make your wheels look more stylish at night. I didn't expect a steering wheel cover to change the feel of driving this much. This wood grain design looks premium and actually gives a better grip while driving. I didn't think a foam cleaner would work this fast. You just spray it on dirty surfaces and it instantly starts breaking down grime and stains. It works on multiple surfaces like desks, kitchen areas, and even small appliances. Honestly, it makes cleaning feel way quicker and easier. I didn't expect such a small thing to make a difference in my car. These shock-absorbing pads stick to the door and reduce noise and impact when closing it. They're super easy to install and instantly make the car feel more protected. I didn't realize how much dust was stuck inside my car until I tried this brush. The soft bristles clean vents, gaps, and interior surfaces without scratching anything.